Welcome to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. In this video, we will run the Terraform scripts to authenticate your OCI account and fetch your tenancy's availability domain. We already have a video that explains how to install, configure Terraform, and create scripts to authenticate your account on OCI Oracle Linux 8. Check the video description for the documentation. First, initialize a working directory in the tf-provider directory. Run the Terraform initiate command. Check the contents of the tf-provider directory. You now have a folder called .terraform that includes the plugins for the OCI provider. Next, create an execution plan to check whether the changes shown in the execution plan match your expectations without changing the real resources. Run the Terraform plan command. Confirm that you have plan 0 to add, 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Finally, run your Terraform scripts and get your outputs. When prompted for confirmation, enter yes for your resources to be created. After you run the apply command, the output is displayed in the terminal. We now successfully ran all the scripts required to authenticate, fetch the data, and print the output from your tenancy. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful.